Okay, we've been talking about representing images with binary code, and we've talked about black and white images. And if you have a black and white image, you can represent with one bit per pixel, remembering that digital images are made up of lots of little pixels. And if you have 1 bit per pixel, you can have a light on, and that's the 1, or off, and that's the 0. So it's black. It's either white, which is the 1, or black, which is 0. If you want a coloured image, you're going to need to blend some colours together. Now I am pretty confident, we'll just see if we can get this. You can see here that I have a torch with red cellophane wrapped around it, I have a torch with green cellophane wrapped around it, and I have a torch with blue cellophane wrapped around it. And that is because in coloured images, each pixel has 3 lights in it, a red, a green and a blue. It's called RGB. And if you turn some on, some off, mix them together, you get different colours. With these 3 colours, you can only make a certain number of, or you can only mix to make a certain number of other colours, okay? So we're going to just do a little demonstration. So basically, making sure that they are in the correct order, we need a red, and if that was represented as binary, it would be 1, 0, 0, because I have just turned on the red light and not the green or the blue. If I wanted the green light, then I would turn on the middle one, just the green, and that would be represented as 0, 1, 0, because neither the red nor the blue are on. If I wanted a blue colour in my image, then I would just turn on the blue light, and that would be 0, 0, 1, represented as binary as 0, 0, 1. If I was going to try and make yellow, then I would just turn on the red and the green. So it would be 1, 1, and 0, because the blue's not on. And when you mix them together, if you have a look mixing them together, you get the yellow colour by putting those 2 colours together. Okay, if I wanted to make pink, then it would be 1, 0, 1, because you're going to use the red and the blue. And when you mix them together, you get the pink colour. If I wanted to make an aqua colour called cyan, then I would use the green and the blue. And you mix them together and you get a lighter, so that's separate, and then you kind of mix them together, you get a lighter blue. So that would be the binary representation of that colour is 0, 1, 1, because the red's not on, but the other 2 are. If I'm going to try and make white, then I'm going to turn all of them on. The red, the green, and the blue. And I'm going to attempt to point 3 torches in one direction to mix them all together. Can't point them all exactly in the right spot, but you do get, oh there you go, a white colour when you mix all 3 together. So that would be 1, 1, 1. And to make black, it would be 0, 0, 0. So each pixel in an image has a red, a green and a blue light, and they can be mixed together. And if you wanted more colours, you would need more bits per pixel so that you can change the intensity of the red, the green or the blue and get more shades of colours.